In this video, we present to you a highly unusual recycling process. A facility where industrial barrels, such as oil, are transformed into raw materials for the production of other products. A craftsman straightens the cut barrels and gives the edges of the work shape with hammer strikes. The sheets, straightened by a craftsman, are sent into a rolling machine to be flattened again, like paper. This is where the process of removing paint from the sheets begins. The sheets are placed into a tank containing paint-removing chemicals. After remaining in the tank for a period of time, the sheets are removed and both sides are brushed with a wire brush to ensure no paint remains on the sheets. The next stage is where these sheets are cut into long strips, following predetermined measurements. Weighing the sheets ensures that they are suitable in size for the production of materials. This fully automatic machine carries out the entire process of converting sheets into iron pipes. After being fed into the machine, the sheets are shaped into pipes through the rotation of rollers at various angles, and finally, the sheets are fully formed into pipes by automatic welding and then cooled with water. The recycling and manufacturing industry is truly astonishing and remarkable. After being loaded onto trucks, these pipes are transported to another workshop to be transformed into various other products. In this workshop, pipes crafted by a craftsman are sanded with a belt sander to achieve their maximum surface smoothness. These pipes can be utilized across the entire industry and are not limited to the production of just a few simple products. The metal plating process is carried out when metal producers intend to coat a metal. This process is performed to provide greater protection against corrosion and rust, to increase strength, reduce friction, and for other protective purposes. The metal plating process varies greatly, but 3 steps must always be followed: the degreasing process, the acid treatment process, and the rinsing process. The benefits of performing this metal plating are as follows. Alteration of the metal's appearance. Change in hardness or the metal's resistance to deformation. Increased resistance of the metal to corrosion. Reduction or adjustment of tensile strength at the maximum stress or strain point. During the metal plating process, many safety points arise that are not fully covered in this video, and this section requires additional attention. Let's not stray from the main process. Another sheet is cut again and divided into smaller sections, then it passes between 2 rollers to be flattened evenly. Immediately, these sheets are shaped into a semicircular form by a machine that performs hammering, using strong strikes. The semicircular shape of these pipes is made rounder by placing a circular mold in the center and hammering. A piece of metal, shaped like a cone, is welded to the end of the pipe to prepare it for placement in the machine for the final welding process and complete securing of the pipe. For the welding in this section, electric welding is used, commonly known in industry as MMA welding. The manufactured pipes, due to unevenness and warping, are straightened by a machine resembling an auto straightener. After passing through the machine's rollers, the pipes are drawn along a straight path to ensure they are completely straight. The conical section, which was used to connect the pipe to the machine, is removed again to be returned to the production line. The ends of the manufactured pipes are cut in this manner to make them easier to connect to each other. Our craftsman, entirely manually and using only a welding machine and a square, connects another part of our product with precision. The longer pipes, which are used for bending, are sent to the bending section after being heated. The required dimensions for producing each product vary. Another part of our product is manufactured, and once its dimensions are correct, it is sent to the final stage, the final assembly. The end part of our product, which comes into contact with the ground, is welded with a round piece of metal for improved functionality and a cleaner finish. The rods, shaped like a ladder grid, gradually become ready for completion after being welded to our product. And now it is time to complete the entire welding process, where a craftsman assembles all the manufactured parts with precision, preparing our final product. Our finished beds are moved to an open area so that the rusted coating on them can be removed by sanding, and then they are painted with anti-rust materials to extend their lifespan and make them resistant to decay and corrosion. If you enjoy this type of content, you can support us by following our page and sharing it with your friends, while also expanding your knowledge. Enjoy these industrial marvels, leave your comments, like the video, and stay tuned for more of our content. Support us on this journey, and may God protect you.